Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Naya Safa. The topic is keyboard MCQs. Question number 1. A keyboard is a device which is used to send data to a computer is called a correct answer input device. What are keyboard used for? Number 1 alphabetic, number 2 numeric, number 3 and for commands. How many keys on a window based computer keyboard? 101 to 104 approximate. How many function keys of specialized PC keyboard are? F1 to F24, 24 function keys. Question number 5. Window based laptop keyboard keys are 78 keys. Question number 6. Apple computer keyboard with numeric keypad keys are 109 keys. Question number 7. Containing the Apple computer wireless keyboard keys are 78 keys. Question number 8. Apple desktop computer having function keys with number pad are F1 to F19, 19 function keys. Question number 9. How many alphabet keys are there on a keyboard? 26 keys. A computer keyboard has a special symbol. 40 symbol. Question number 11. How many keyboard keys are used for a special symbol? 28 keys for 40 symbol. Question number 11. How many arrow keys are there on a keyboard? 4 up, down, left and right. Question number 12. A keyboard has many rows of keys are 6 keys top to bottom. Question number 13. A longest key on a keyboard which does not have its name printed on it is called a spacebar key. Question number 14. When you put your hand on a keyboard, your finger are on the keys are called home key. Question number 15. Which key allow user to cancel or close operation on entire program is called an escape key. Thanks for watching.